Hey V team, happy Monday. Thanks for tuning in today. Now, as you've heard us say many times now, we have the best to offer for our holiday promos. It's the season to get great gifts, and it's the season to give. And the best part, a lot of our great deals are available right now, so you can feel the savings rush before the holiday rush. So let's do a quick rundown of all the offers for Black Friday. Starting with the gamers in your life, get the ultimate mobile gaming bundle for just $99.99. You can get the Backbone One gaming controller, Game Pass Ultimate for 3 months, and a $25 Xbox gift card. And for the music lovers, you can save $30 off the JBL Clip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Perfect for your loved ones on the go who still want to jam out to their favorite tunes. Or you can get the Apple AirPods Pro with a MagSafe case and save $90. Now, on to accessories. Tech accessories are great for stocking stuffers, and we all know someone who needs a new charger every couple of months. So here's what you can get. 60% off the Anker Soundcore Life Note 3S True Wireless Earbuds, 40% off the Altec Lansing Baby Boom XL Portable Bluetooth Speaker, up to 75% off phone cases and screen protectors, and up to 70% off select Verizon chargers. Now, that's all the stuff that you can give, but here's what you can get. When you trade in your old phone and sign up or upgrade to a 5G unlimited plan, you can get a 5G phone on us. Plus, when you do, we'll throw in free gifts like smartwatches, tablets, and earbuds. So make sure you check out our holiday deal site for the latest and greatest all season long. You can find these links in today's story. Now, the countdown is on, so hurry to a store near you or check out Verizon.com to get a head start on holiday shopping. So now that we've got all the shopping covered, let's talk about another great part of the holidays, the food. Lucky for us, Chef Spencer Plaut shared all his tips and tricks to bring your holiday gatherings to life. Let's check it out.
We're here to talk about food, we're here to feed you, we're here to fuel you, but we're also here to talk about having a good time. Making sure that you got a prep list, and you know where to shop, and you know what to cook, and giving you the tools and giving you the resources so that when you're home, you're comfortable, you're confident, and you're having a good time in the kitchen. There's a lot of folks out there like me that are super passionate about food and bringing people over and getting people together. Food unites us. I think it's really important to come up with a menu that you believe in and that you're confident in, knowing all the ingredients that you need for each dish, and then trying to minimize the amount of stores that you have to go grocery shopping. It'll save you a lot of time. It's important to be confident in the kitchen. The more confident you are, the more comfortable you are, the more control you're in when you're in the kitchen, especially when you're trying to deal with distractions. A lot of family over, maybe friends are over that you haven't seen in a while, you got football in the background. I would go with the less is more approach. If you got 5 sides, 6 sides, maybe you reduce a couple and you stick to the sides that you think are gonna be well received. You stick to the menus that are maybe a little bit easier to execute. Don't try to do everything yourself. When people ask you, can I help? And they come in the kitchen, it's not because they're being nice, it's because they actually wanna help. People like having a glass of wine, they like talking when you're cooking, so don't ever turn away good hands. If someone offers to help, say yes. A good way to save money and be cost conscious around the holidays, especially when it comes to food shopping, you see food prices are pretty high everywhere. Inflation has been impacting us. A good way to be cost conscious is when you look at your menu and you look at what you want to cook for your friends and for your family, buy seasonal. If you buy what's local and you buy what's in season, it's probably going to be a little bit cheaper than something that's been flown in from, halfway across the globe. On behalf of Workplace Delivery and Global Real Estate, happy cooking and wishing you all a happy holidays.
Really great tips there, Chef Spencer. And for more tips and recipes, the Global Real Estate Workplace Delivery Foods team has you covered with the Foods Holiday Time Recipe Book, a collection of culturally inspired recipes and stories for you to enjoy with your families. I saw a vegan black bean soup that I'll definitely be trying out. And since we're talking about dinner, while you're at the dinner table this season, you don't have to talk about work, but you should talk about our awesome deals. And let's face it, we all have that one aunt, or maybe it's just me, who knows you work at Verizon and always wants some help troubleshooting. Well, in that case, make sure you check out our recent 3 Questions with Nancy Clark, where she talks about our Ambassador Care Program, created so you can get your friends and family the specialized customer service they need to resolve their mobile or Fios concerns. And don't worry, we've got you covered for the network too. If you get any feedback about specific areas where we could improve our network experience, fill out the network feedback form that Joe Russo shared with us to ensure we improve or resolve any issues we may have. Well, if you didn't have anything to talk about at the dinner table, I just gave you 3 things. Well, on that note, that's all for today, folks. Check us out tomorrow as we give thanks to our hardworking retail V-teamers. Have a great rest of your day. Until next time, you're up to speed.